The best type of conditioning you can give your body is training it to be ready to serve you in any situation, to be strong when needed, fast when needed, and combat ready when it matters most. Because if you are truly combat ready, your strength is already on another level. And the best part, you can build this level of readiness right at home using nothing but your body weight. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your body into a combat-ready machine. Focus until the end. Strength drills are universal. You got push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and core conditioning. Everyone knows them, and everyone has the access to them. You simply need the floor and something you hang on. But very few people actually understand how to use them for combat. You gotta be smart with the execution style. You need to extract multiple types of strength from the same movements. In real combat, everything you do falls into 3 categories. You strike, you control through grappling, and you overpower through takedowns. Each one demands a different type of strength. For striking, you need explosive strength. For overpowering, you need maximal strength. And for control, you need relative strength. Your training must reflect this. So let's begin with explosive strength. Striking is about speed plus force in an instant. That's explosive strength, and you can build it using the same basic exercises, but with a different intent. You can train it by speeding up your reps and using plyometric variations like fast or explosive push-ups, jump squats, fast pull-ups, and sprinting. See, the same basic exercise, but it's not just about moving fast. It's about staying controlled and precise at high speed. The quality of execution determines the quality of power. 2. Maximal strength. Sometimes speed isn't enough. You can get forced to resist or move another human being. That's maximal strength. It shows up in wrestling through takedowns and positioning under pressure. Again, you can build it with the same exercises but with another execution method. Slow down your reps, increase time under tension, and add pauses and isometric holds. You got slow push-ups, 5 to 10 seconds per rep, deep controlled squats, pull-up holds at the top, and wall sits. This builds raw force capacity, because when things get physical, this is what decides who controls who. 3. Relative strength. Control over your own body. Relative strength is your ability to control your body in space, and this is critical for grappling and escaping bad positions. To train this, you have to commit to full range of motion, strict form, and achieve bodyweight mastery. For example, try to complete strict pull-ups, deep squats with full control, add hanging leg raises and core stabilization work. The same push-up can build explosive power, plus to max strength and relative strength. Different execution, different result. That's intelligent training. What about striking application? When you throw a punch, your legs generate force, your core transfers it, and your upper body delivers it. I've got a whole video dedicated to this. If one link is weak, the strike is weak. That's why your training must be integrated. Training under pressure. This gives you a taste of situation intensity because you can be strong and still freeze. Real situations come with adrenaline, chaos, and uncertainty. Therefore, you must train under fatigue and pressure, which is indeed a combat and military training trait. Try to engage in more demanding sprints. High rep circuits followed explosive movements and timed rounds with minimal rest. Now let's turn all of this into something practical. Here's a simple weekly system to build all 3 types of strength using just your body weight. Day 1. Explosive power. You got 4 sets of explosive push-ups up to 10 reps, 4 sets of jump squats, 12 reps, 4 sets of fast pull-ups, 8 reps, and 6 rounds of sprinting, 20 seconds to each. Day 2. Maximal strength. Perform 5 to 10 seconds per rep of slow push-ups within 3 sets. 4 sets of deep squats, 10 reps, 3 sets of pull-up holds, 3 sets of wall sit, 60 seconds. Day 3. Relative strength. Max reps of strict pull-ups within 4 sets, 4 sets of deep controlled squats, 15 reps, 3 sets of hanging leg raises, 15 reps, and 3 sets of core work. Day 4. Pressure training. 4 to 6 rounds of circuit, 20 push-ups, 20 squats, 8 pull-ups, and 20 seconds of sprinting. You can cycle this 3 to 4 times per week, depending on your level. Consider these principles. Master execution. Train all 3 strength types. Move fast when needed and slow when needed. Your training is about being ready when it matters. Because when the moment comes, your body will not think, it will act. And how it acts depends entirely on how you trained it. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next one, and warrior salute.